You don't need a high kill count to carry a legend rank match. You just need to be everywhere. Early game is all about priorities. I had two choices: follow the roamer into a mid lane brawl or protect my jungler's farm from being disrupted. If your jungler falls behind, the game is over. I chose to secure the buff. The enemy roamer had a target on my back all the time. At the turtle contest, I stayed behind my front line to bait the hook and peel for my team. We pushed them back, but my team got bloodthirsty. We chased the kill, gave up the objective. In legend rank, a kill is never worth a turtle. This was a bad trade. The enemy marksman tried to steal our buff. I locked down the choke point. By cutting off his escape route, my teammates could finish him easily. That's how you rack up 15 assists. We lost our jungler in the crossfire, but Valir and I made sure they didn't walk away for free. Traded their roamer to stop their momentum. The turtle contest turned into a nightmare. I popped the ultimate to shove them back. We lost our roamer, the space I created to let our EXP laner shut down their jungler. And when their marksman tried to sneak up on me, I pushed him away. After resetting, I didn't back off. I saw their roamer overextending and my team was ready to collapse on him. If the enemy gives you an opening, you have to take it. We secured the turtle, but some reason they 2v4 us. That was a massive mistake. I pop my ult and unload everything. 2 kills for me and a total wipe for them. By the 6th minute, the enemy started clawing back. 2 teammates were down and I was trapped under the turret by Thamuz and their mage. A lot of players would stay and die here, but a turret is never worth a life of a mid laner. I saw an opening and retreated. We lost the outer turrets, but by staying alive, I prevented the enemy from taking the lord or the next base. I got greedy. I overextended to poke, and the roamer finally landed the hook. My mistake cost me my life and my roamers. Even with a 15 assist lead, one bad step is all it takes. Respect the hook. We regrouped for a 4v4 at the checkpoint, Valir's favorite spot. Our MM locked down 3 enemies while I unleashed my full combo. We traded our jungler for a total wipeout. That's the power of teamfight participation and positioning. Thamuz tried to dive me, but one skill 2 push shut him down instantly. My EXP laner's timing was perfect, letting our MM shred their backline. The enemy finally realized that Chokepoint belongs to Valir. They tried to run, but we trapped their roamer and jungler under their own turret. Absolute control. Our final push, but the enemy makes a desperate play. Franco hooks Valir, our most consistent player in this game. I can't let him go now. I pop my ult and use every skill to shove Franco and Thamuz back. Saving your roamer here is the only way to guarantee this push stays alive. Valir resets and goes right back in. I secure the kill on the roamer while pushing their marksman away. My team sees the opening. Our EXP and marksman dive in to clean up the rest. Look at the numbers advantage. There's no coming back from that. Their mage tries one last defense, but it's all over. And I'll see you